We're taking a look at the most searched trends on the web for Tuesday, August 14th. You're searching for Agrium after the farm retailer said it won't spin off its retail operations despite urging from shareholder JANA Partners. According to reports, JANA, which typically invests in companies undergoing changes like spin-offs, wants the unit split from its wholesale business. Agrium president Michael Wilson said the company's board unanimously agreed that a spin-off would not be in the best interests of the company or its shareholders. Standard Chartered is trending as the chief executive of the bank is in New York for a hearing with a regulator to discuss charges the bank hid transactions with ties to Iran. The bank could potentially have its license to operate in New York revoked. Standard Chartered said CEO Peter Sands is ready to meet with the regulator to discuss the allegations. A hearing will take place on Wednesday, and it's unclear whether the bank will participate. Motorola is another popular search. Reports indicate the Droid Razr HD will arrive in October. According to the rumors, Motorola plans to release the Droid Razr HD as well as the Droid Razr Max HD in October, pending enough sales of the Droid Razr and Razr Max. Reports indicate the launch of the new devices could be pushed back if enough of the devices have not been sold in time. These are some of the day's hottest trends on the web. Happy searching!
This market is
stock tickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to